Welcome to today's video. Today's video is a core vocabulary and action video. And the core vocabulary word that we will be targeting in today's video is come. Come is a verb or an action word. So it's most likely going to be green on your AAC system. And come means whenever something moves or something goes away. Now let's find come on some of the different AAC systems that you might be using. On Word Power 60 Basic, the Touch Chat app from Sotillo, come.
Come.
On Lamp Words for Life, the 84 full version of the vocabulary from PRC, come.
Come.
On Snap Core First from Toby Dynavox, the 80 grid, come.
Come.
Now let's use our word come for some different functions of communication. I could direct an action or give a command and say, come here. I could make a statement and say, our visitors are coming from Italy. I could use my word to ask a question and say, does this shirt come in a large? I could use my word to protest and say, I don't want Uncle Bob to come for dinner. I could express my feelings and say, I came home because I feel sick. I could use my word to make a request and say, come sit by me. I could use my word to share and show and say, come look at my drawing. It's a dog. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did and you would like to check out other videos where I take core vocabulary words and show how to use them for different functions of communication, check out my playlist over here. And if you haven't already, I would absolutely love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.